Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into the world of rich text editor, root, style formats. This will be a comprehensive tutorial covering various aspects, from fundamental concepts to practical code examples. We'll explore common formats, how they're structured, and how you can handle them in your applications. Part 1. Understanding rich text editor formats. A rich text editor, root, is a control that allows users to create and format text with various styling options like bold, italics, lists, headings, images, and more. The core purpose is to provide a user-friendly wysiwyg, what you see is what you get, experience. But behind the scenes, the root needs a way to represent and store this rich text content. This is where different style formats come into play. 1.1 Key considerations for choosing a format. Data storage. How efficiently does the format store the rich text data? Does it require significant overhead, or is it relatively compact? Portability. Is the format easily portable across different platforms and applications? Can you easily transfer the content between roots that use different underlying implementations? Parsing and rendering. How easy is it to parse, read and understand the format, and how easy is it to render, display it correctly? Extensibility. Can you extend the format to support custom styling, features, or elements beyond the basic ones? Complexity. Is the format inherently complex to work with, or is it relatively simple and straightforward? Security. Does the format pose any security risks? Example, can it easily be used to inject malicious code? 1.2 Common rich text editor formats. Here's a breakdown of the most common formats you'll encounter, along with their pros and cons. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Description. Arguably the most popular format. It uses tags to define the structure and styling of the text. Pros. Widely supported, easily rendered in web browsers, can represent complex structures, well understood by developers. Cons. Can be verbose, lots of extra tags, potentially vulnerable to XSS, cross-site scripting, attacks if not carefully sanitized. Difficult to work with using simple string manipulation due to nested tags and attributes. Example. Markdown. Description. A lightweight markup language that uses simple symbols to format text. Pros. Human readable, easy to learn, relatively compact, can be easily converted to HTML. Cons. Limited in its styling capabilities compared to HTML, not as widely supported as HTML natively. Example. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation. Description. A data interchange format that represents the text and its styles as a structured object. There are several variations on JSON-based rich text formats. Pros. Easy to parse in JavaScript, can represent complex structures, extensible, good for programmatic manipulation. Cons. Not as human readable as HTML or Markdown, may require custom rendering logic. Example, Quill Delta format. XML, extensible markup language. Description. A markup language similar to HTML, but more general purpose. It uses tags to define the structure and content. Pros. Can represent complex structures, extensible, supports namespaces. Cons verbose, more complex to parse than HTML, less common for simple rich text scenarios. RTF, rich text format. Description a proprietary format developed by Microsoft. Prose widely supported, can represent complex formatting. Cons not as human readable as other formats, proprietary, can be large in size. Part 2, Code examples for working with rich text formats. Now, let's look at some code examples in JavaScript, Node.js and or a browser environment, demonstrating how to work with these formats. 2.1 Working with HTML. Parsing HTML explanation we use JSDOM, in a Node.js environment, to create a DOM, document object model, from the HTML string. In a browser, you can use the built-in DOM parser. We use query selector and query selector all to select specific elements within the DOM. We can access and modify the content, example text content and attributes, example class list, of these elements. DOM serialize, converts the modified DOM back into an HTML string. Sanitizing HTML, important for security. Explanation DOM Purify is a popular library for sanitizing HTML to prevent XSS attacks. It removes potentially dangerous elements and attributes. It's crucial to sanitize any HTML that comes from user input or external sources before rendering it in your application. Generating HTML explanation This example shows how to dynamically generate HTML using template literals, backticks. This approach is useful for creating HTML from data stored in variables. 2.2 Working with Markdown. Converting Markdown to HTML explanation Marked is a popular library for converting Markdown to HTML. It's easy to use, just pass the Markdown string to the marked function, and it returns the equivalent HTML. Parsing Markdown, more advanced. Explanation This code shows how to customize the marked renderer. Here, we're modifying the way headings are rendered by adding a custom class. This gives you fine-grained control over the HTML that's generated from the Markdown. 2.3 Working with JSON, Quill Delta format example. Rendering Quill Delta to HTML explanation we use the Quill library itself to render the Delta format to HTML. This is because the Delta format is specific to Quill. We create a Quill instance, set its contents to the Delta, and then extract the HTML from the editor's root element. Note, for this to run in Node.js, you'll need a headless browser environment, like JSDOM or Puppeteer, that can emulate a DOM. The example above assumes a browser environment for simplicity. Parsing JSON, generic example. Explanation This example demonstrates a more generic approach to rendering JSON to HTML. We define a custom rendering function that iterates through the JSON data and generates HTML based on the structure and content of the JSON. You'll need to adapt this function to match the specific structure of your JSON data. Part 3, Choosing the right format for your needs. The best format depends on your specific requirements. Asterisk web application with simple formatting. Asterisk Markdown is a good choice for content that doesn't require complex styling. It's easy to write and convert to HTML. Asterisk web application with rich formatting. Asterisk HTML is the most flexible and widely supported format. Use a sanitization library to protect against XSS attacks. Asterisk application with custom styling and data structures. Asterisk JSON-based formats are ideal for representing complex data and applying custom styling. You'll need to create custom rendering logic. Asterisk interoperability with Microsoft Office. Asterisk RTF might be necessary if you need to exchange rich text documents with Microsoft Word or other Office applications. Part 4, Important Considerations. Asterisk security. Asterisk always sanitize HTML from untrusted sources to prevent XSS attacks. This is paramount. Asterisk performance. Asterisk large HTML documents can impact performance. Optimize your HTML and use techniques like lazy loading for images. Asterisk accessibility. Asterisk ensure your rich text content is accessible to users with disabilities. Use semantic HTML elements, provide alternative text for images, and ensure proper color contrast. Asterisk maintainability. Asterisk choose a format that is easy to maintain and extend as your application evolves. Asterisk user experience. Asterisk design your rich text editor to be user-friendly and intuitive. Provide clear formatting options and a wysiwyg preview. In summary, asterisk rich text editor style formats are essential for creating and storing formatted text. HTML, Markdown, and JSON are the most common formats, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Choosing the right format depends on your application's needs and requirements. Always prioritize security and accessibility when working with rich text content. The code examples provided illustrate how to parse, render, and generate content in different formats. Remember to install the necessary libraries using npm install or similar package managers. Good luck! Okay, let's dive deep into the world of rich text editor, root, style formats. This will be a comprehensive guide covering various aspects, common formats, implementation considerations, and code examples to illustrate the concepts. Introduction. What are rich text editor style formats? Rich text editors allow users to format text with features like bolding, italics, different fonts, colors, lists, headings, images, and more. To achieve this, the editor needs a way to represent and store these formatting instructions. Style formats are the systems used to define and persist this rich text formatting data. Key goals of style formats. Asterisk data representation. Asterisk defines how the formatting information is structurally stored. Asterisk persistence. Asterisk how the formatted data is saved, example to a database, file, etc. Asterisk interpretation. Asterisk how the editor and other applications read and render the data. Asterisk compatibility. Asterisk ability to exchange data between different applications and platforms. Asterisk maintainability. Asterisk easy to understand, update, and extend as new features are added. 2. Common rich text editor style formats. Asterisk. Here's a breakdown of the popular formats and their characteristics. 1. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Asterisk description. Asterisk arguably the most ubiquitous format, HTML leverages tags to represent elements, headings, paragraphs, lists, and inline styles or CSS classes to define formatting. Asterisk strengths. Asterisk widespread support, well understood, flexible, and the native format for web browsers. Works well for complex layouts and styling. Asterisk weaknesses. Asterisk can be verbose and difficult to parse/manipulate programmatically without dedicated libraries. Can be vulnerable to XSS, cross-site scripting, attacks if not properly sanitized. Asterisk example asterisk. To Markdown asterisk. Asterisk description asterisk a lightweight markup language that uses simple plain text formatting syntax. Markdown is designed to be easily readable as plain text and easily convertible to HTML. Asterisk strengths asterisk readable, easy to learn, concise, and readily converted to HTML. Good for simple text formatting where visual complexity is not a primary concern. Asterisk weaknesses asterisk limited styling options compared to HTML. No standard specification exists, leading to variations in implementations. Example Common Mark aims to address this. Asterisk example asterisk. 3BB code, bulletin board code. Asterisk description asterisk similar to Markdown, but uses square brackets instead of Markdown symbols. Primarily used on older forums and bulletin board systems. Asterisk strengths asterisk simple syntax, easy to implement, commonly supported by older systems. Asterisk weaknesses asterisk limited features compared to HTML or Markdown. Falling out of favor in modern applications. Asterisk example asterisk. 4 Delta, JSON based for Quill editor. Asterisk description asterisk a structured JSON format used by the Quill rich text editor. Represents content as a series of operations, inserts, deletes, formats, on the text. Asterisk strengths asterisk clear and well-defined structure, easy to parse and manipulate programmatically, supports fine-grained formatting, good for collaboration scenarios, operational transforms. Asterisk weaknesses asterisk not as human readable as HTML or Markdown. Tightly coupled with Quill's API. Asterisk example asterisk. 5 Slate.js editor, custom JSON. Asterisk description asterisk the Slate.js framework does not prescribe a single rigid format. You are encouraged to define your own JSON format to represent the document. This JSON structure becomes the single source of truth for the editor. Asterisk strengths asterisk utmost flexibility, can design a format specific to the application's needs, handles complex situations, allows complete control of rendering. Asterisk weaknesses asterisk requires a good design phase up front. If the format isn't planned well, it can be difficult to adapt to future requirements. Requires a good solid implementation to deal with different edge cases. Asterisk example asterisk. 6 RTF, rich text format. Asterisk description asterisk a proprietary document file format developed by Microsoft. It uses control words and escape sequences to represent formatting. Asterisk strengths asterisk supported by many older word processors, good for document exchange in the past. Asterisk weaknesses asterisk complex, verbose, not easily readable, and not well suited for modern web applications. Largely superseded by other formats. 3. Deep dive into HTML, the most common choice. Because HTML is so prevalent, let's examine it in more detail. You'll typically encounter two ways to apply styles in HTML. 1. Inline styles asterisk applying styles directly to HTML elements using the style attribute. Asterisk pros asterisk simple for basic styling, override CSS. Asterisk cons asterisk can make HTML bloated, difficult to maintain, duplication of styles, violate separation of concerns, content and presentation. 2. CSS classes asterisk defining styles in CSS, either in a separate style sheet or within style tags, and applying them to HTML elements using the class attribute. Asterisk pros asterisk cleaner, more maintainable, promotes reusability, better separation of concerns. Asterisk cons asterisk requires defining CSS rules beforehand. 4. Implementing rich text editing with HTML and JavaScript. Example. Let's build a simplified rich text editor using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This will demonstrate how to capture, store, and render HTML formatted text. 1. HTML structure, index.html. 2. CSS styling, style.css. 3. JavaScript logic, script.js. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk content editable equals true asterisk makes the div with id equals editor editable. Asterisk document.exec command, asterisk a method in the browser's API that allows you to execute commands to manipulate the selected text or current document. Exec command is deprecated, but useful for demonstration. Modern approaches often involve directly manipulating the DOM to provide more control and avoid reliance on deprecated APIs. Asterisk update preview, asterisk takes the HTML content from the editor and displays it in the preview area. Asterisk event listeners asterisk we listen to the input event on the editor to update the preview on every keystroke. Asterisk toolbar buttons asterisk the buttons call the corresponding functions, bold text, italic text, etc., that use exec command to apply formatting. To run this example asterisk. 1. Save the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code into separate files, example index.html, style.css, script.js. 2. Open index.html in your web browser. You'll have a basic rich text editor with bold, italic, underline, and font size selection. V. Advanced considerations and best practices asterisk. 1. Sanitization asterisk critical for security. When saving or displaying HTML from a rich text editor, you must sanitize it to prevent XSS, cross-site scripting, attacks. Use a library like DOM Purify or similar to remove potentially malicious HTML and JavaScript. 2. Customizability and extensibility asterisk. Asterisk frameworks/libraries asterisk consider using existing rich text editor frameworks, Quill, Draft.js, Slate.js, CKEditor, TinyMCE, instead of building everything from scratch. These frameworks provide a lot of functionality out of the box and are well tested. They usually allow you to define your own formats. Asterisk plugins/extensions asterisk design your editor with a plugin or extension architecture. This makes it easier to add new features, example image uploads, tables, custom formatting, without modifying the core editor code. 3. Collaboration asterisk. Asterisk operational transforms, OT, or conflict-free replicated data types, CRDTs. If you need real-time collaborative editing, you'll need to use OT or CRDT algorithms to handle concurrent changes from multiple users. Quill, Slate.js and other editors are built to handle these use cases. Asterisk data synchronization asterisk implement a mechanism to synchronize the editor content between users in real time, example using WebSockets or server-sent events. 4. Accessibility, WCAG. Asterisk semantic HTML asterisk use semantic HTML elements, headings, lists, etc., to provide a good structure for screen readers. Asterisk ARIA attributes asterisk use ARIA attributes, example ARIA label, ARIA describe EDB, to provide additional information to assistive technologies. Asterisk keyboard navigation asterisk ensure that all editor features can be accessed using the keyboard. Asterisk contrast asterisk maintain sufficient color contrast for readability. 5. Storage asterisk. Asterisk database asterisk store the formatted content in a database, example as a text field or a JSON field. Asterisk file system asterisk store the content in files, example as HTML files, Markdown files, or JSON files. Asterisk cloud storage asterisk store the content in cloud storage services, example Amazon S3, Google Cloud Storage, Azure Blob Storage. 6. Performance asterisk. Asterisk optimize rendering asterisk minimize the amount of DOM manipulation required to update the editor and preview. Asterisk lazy loading asterisk load editor components and plugins only when they are needed. Asterisk virtualization asterisk use virtualization techniques to handle large documents efficiently. 7. Handling images, videos, and other media asterisk. When handling rich text editors, it is common for users to want to include images, videos, and other media elements. There are a couple of common approaches to handle this. 1. Storing as base64 encoded strings asterisk. When the user uploads an image, the image is encoded as a base64 string and the string is embedded into the DOM, as the src attribute of an img tag. Asterisk pros asterisk easy to implement, doesn't require any server-side upload endpoints. Asterisk cons asterisk significantly increase the size of the editor data, which might impact loading performance, hard to manage and scale. The img tags can become extremely long due to the base64 string. 2. Uploading and saving the media elements to the server asterisk. When the user uploads a media element, upload the files to the server, and store the URL to the file into the DOM. Asterisk pros asterisk keeps the size of the editor data small, easier to manage and scale. The img tags are more manageable, more secure. Asterisk cons asterisk requires server-side upload endpoints and storage. 6. Choosing the right format asterisk asterisk. The best format for your rich text editor depends on your specific needs. Asterisk HTML asterisk if you need maximum flexibility, complex layouts, and compatibility with web browsers, HTML is often the best choice. But always sanitize the output. Asterisk Markdown asterisk if you need a simple, readable, and easy to learn format for basic text formatting, Markdown is a good option. Asterisk JSON based, Quill Delta, Slate.js custom formats if you need a structured format that's easy to parse and manipulate programmatically, especially for collaborative editing or fine-grained control, a JSON based format is a good choice. Asterisk BB code asterisk for older systems or where simplicity is paramount and advanced formatting is not needed. 7. Conclusion asterisk asterisk. Rich text editor style formats are a crucial aspect of any application that allows users to format text. Understanding the different formats, their strengths and weaknesses, and the implementation considerations will help you choose the right format for your needs and build a robust and secure rich text editor. Remember to prioritize security, sanitization, accessibility, and maintainability. Also, consider using existing frameworks/libraries to save time and effort. Good luck.